When we're not making bespoke pieces for our clients here at London Rocks, we like to have a little bit of fun here in the workshop. So today, I'm going to be making a poison bottle pendant from these nuts and bolts. What is a poison bottle, I hear you say? So these type of pendants were used to carry perfume and were also called scent bottle pendants. They get their name from their 16th century predecessor, the poison ring, or the pillbox ring, amongst many other names. I want to make this poison bottle look quite engine turned, but I don't have a lathe, so I'm going to have to improvise. These rings were used to carry suspicious substances, to slip into your enemy's food or drink, or to use on oneself to elude capture by suicide. Originating in the Far East and India and making their way to Europe by the Middle Ages, they became popular for holding all sorts of personal keepsakes, from miniature portraits to locks of hair of deceased loved ones, called memento mori. Now that I've got my bottle complete and it's nice and watertight, now I'm going to add some diamonds. One thing I've always found fascinating about the jewellery industry and my trade is the contradiction. You've got grubby, working class men like myself creating the most fabulous and most desirable luxury object. So we recreated this historical type of pendant for a bit of fun, but I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that might find a pendant like this extremely useful. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button to stay up to date with everything diamonds, jewellery and gems. My name is Carl Carter. This is London Rocks. See you next time.